Slowly you do it, no problem. 2 मिनट तो देना पड़ेगा. Once discarded, go to your seat. Okay. The same way, when you centrifuge, bacteria, microbes will be separated out, and you have to open the tubes and discard it. So you get only the bacteria inside the tube, all the liquid will out. Same procedure for any kinds of the microbes you want to separate from the liquid medium. Okay? Yes. Oh, yes. You can do now. Yes? Hi, go. No problem. Anybody, if you want to go outside for any purpose, you can go out, okay? And come quickly.